Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today let's talk about the Oneplus Nord, the ultra hyped mid-range smartphone. Before we get into the phone and the specifications, do let me know in the comment section below whether you're going to go and grab one or you already have pre-ordered one. Let me know your thoughts. Just one more thing before we get into the video, do subscribe to the channel below and press the bell icon to get notified. To start with, let's talk about the processor. It has got a Snapdragon 765G, which is not the flagship processor, but it is one notch below the 800 series. Now this phone reminds me of the OnePlus X because it is not exactly a flagship, but the features are just about right. The next one is the RAM and the storage. So it's rumored to have 6 GB of RAM and maxes out at 128 GB of storage. Now, I do not think that this is UFS 3.0. I have not seen that anywhere. If you have, be sure to comment it below. Next is the screen. It is a fluid AMOLED with a 6.44 inch display size, and it is an HD+, so not a QHD panel, which is more comparable to what we have on the OnePlus 8. So it is a 90Hz panel, which will give that smooth and fast feeling. It is really good to have it on a mid-range smartphone. Now let's talk about the back glass and the camera. So the back glass is also rumored to have a matte finish, which is already present on the 8 series, which is a plus point. I like matte finishes. The cameras, what I have done here is compared it with the 8 Pro, the 7T, and the rumored specifications of the OnePlus Nord. So it is a quad setup with a 48 megapixel wide, 8 megapixel ultra wide, 5 megapixel depth camera, and a 2 megapixel macro. Now this setup is good. I had preferred a telephoto in lieu of the macro camera, but I'm not complaining much because remember, this is a mid-tier smartphone. The front camera is a decent setup with a 32 megapixel wide and an 8 megapixel ultra wide at 105 degrees. I would have preferred not having the ultra wide in the front and having a telephoto lens, but then that's just me. So far it feels like a flagship killer. Now let's look at the battery. So the battery is rumored to be a 4115 mAh battery, which is good for a smartphone having a full HD plus display. The only killer or the battery drainer would be the 90Hz display, but I am doing pretty well with the OnePlus 8 Pro having a 120Hz Quad HD plus display with a 4500 mAh battery. So no complaints there. But no IP certification and no wireless charging. Though what it does have is Warp Charge 30, which is the same as the 8 series and the 7 series before that, which is just blazing fast charging. Alongside the OnePlus Nord, OnePlus is also rumored to give out the OnePlus Buds, which again has 7 hours of listening time on the bud itself and 30 hours with the case. I am really looking forward to these earphones. Again, let me know in the comment section below if you're interested in the earphones. That's all from me. Thanks for watching.